Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Red from Descendants. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two small angles going up. And then a curve up on top. Now to finish drawing the rest of the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Underneath, let's draw a curve. And then let's add an oval inside. And then color both of them in black. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another small circle on the top left. Now top out to the ends of the eyes and let's curve it down and in. And now let's move up and let's thicken up the top line like this. And thicken up the bottom line as well. And now let's add a few eyelashes on top and bottom. Now on top of each eye, let's draw an angled line up and curve it over. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. Then let's bring it up from the center. And then a curve on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw an angled line down. And then bring it down to a point in the center for the chin. Next, let's hop back in and let's draw a small curve for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And then another smaller curve for the bottom lip. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the face. On top in the center, let's draw a curve over to each side. Next on the sides, let's add the ears. Let's start with a curve. Then inside, let's draw an angle and then a curve underneath. And lastly, another curve at the bottom of each ear for the earrings. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. From the center, let's draw a line up. And then curve it over and down on both sides. Then inside, let's draw some curved lines, starting from the bottom, going up. Now on top of the head, let's add the buns. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it back in, forming a teardrop shape. And let's do the same on the right side. Next, on both sides, let's draw 3 more in the same way going down. Next on top, let's draw 3 curves. And then 1 more on top of each side. And that's it for the hair for now. First, let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a line down and out on both sides for the neck. And then let's draw 2 curves down for the inside of the jacket. Now from the bottom, let's draw a small angle up and then a line down for the sides. Now top back up next to the neck and let's draw a curve out for the shoulders. Now from the shoulders, let's bring it out and then curve it down for the tops of the arms. And then hop back in and let's draw a small curve going down for the other side of the arms. And then close it off with a wavy line up, like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw some details on the jacket. At the top, let's draw a bent line on both sides for the collar. Then let's draw 3 lines across, and the same on the right. And then a circle inside the top section. Now underneath the jacket, let's bring it down for the waist on both sides. And then at the bottom here, let's add the belt. Let's start by drawing a heart shape on the left side. Then a curve over on the right. Now let's draw another curve at the bottom and bring it behind the heart. Next, let's move inside and let's finish drawing the shirt. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve across. Then hop down and let's draw a line across in between the jacket. Now in this section, let's draw a crisscross pattern by starting with diagonal lines. And then diagonals going in the opposite direction. Now top down into the next section and let's draw the hearts. On the top right, let's draw a curve up and down for half of a heart. And then another one on the left side, like this. And now let's add a zigzag line down the center. Now let's draw another heart on the bottom right. And then a zigzag inside as well. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the skirt. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. Now on the right side under the belt, let's draw a small line down and then an upside down V shape. And now let's angle it down to both sides. And that's it for the skirt. Now before we draw the legs, let's finish drawing the arms. At the end of the sleeves we drew earlier, let's draw an angled rectangle on both sides. And then add some stripes inside. Now from the inside, let's angle it down towards the hips. And the same thing next to it but stopping a little bit shorter. Next, hop down next to the hip and let's draw a line out and curve it back in for the first finger. And then 2 more fingers with 2 more bumps. Now on the hands, let's add the gloves. Let's draw a curve at the wrist, and then a curve inside the bottom of each finger. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angled lines down on the left, and the same on the right. Now from the bottom of each line, let's slightly curve it out. Now inside each leg at the top, let's draw a line across. And then a line down the center, stopping here. Now let's draw 2 angled lines underneath. And close off each end. Now inside each leg, let's draw 5 curves across on the outside section. And that's it for the pants. Now let's draw the shoes underneath. Inside the bottom of the pants here, let's draw a curve across. And then another curve inside near the top. Now let's draw 2 lines down. Then in the center section, let's draw X shapes going down for the laces. Now at the bottom of the pants here, let's draw another curve across. Then 2 lines down on both sides. And then a curve across to close off the bottom. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start underneath the buns and let's draw a wavy line down on both sides. And then curve it back up at the ends. Now top back up and let's draw another wavy line down on both sides. And then a small wavy line up at the ends. Now let's curve it back down and up. And then one more on both sides. And that's it for red. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!